Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing if match betting is finally dead in 2025. Now, I'm not just going to share my opinion because I don't think that'll be too helpful. What we'll do is get on the laptop and I'll share with you how much profit you could look to make as a beginner to match betting. And then for those of you that are a bit more advanced, maybe you've been match betting for 3 months, 6 months, or even longer, I'll talk about 5 solid betting strategies that you can do to make profit in 2025. Before we get into it though, I'd just like to mention the Profit Boss match betting and value betting Facebook group. There'll be a link down in the description as usual for those of you that not yet joined up. Oh, and there'll also be a link down in the description for my ultimate betting course. It's got a very, very low price of just £0. It's completely free. And that just basically goes through all of the things to do with getting started match betting. And then after that, you've got some value betting strategies in there as well when you want to move on to the more advanced stuff. But having said that, jumping on the laptop then, first we're going to start off on the OddsMonkey dashboard. So if you've not heard of OddsMonkey, most of you will have done if you subscribe to this channel, but OddsMonkey is just the best match betting software available in the UK for you to take advantage of bookmakers' free bet offers and bet on every outcome so you can lock in a guaranteed profit. You're not actually gambling here, you're just placing a series of match bets in order to make risk-free profit. Now, what we can see here is I'm a level 14. I've made I have made over £30,000 profit from match betting because I wasn't actually documenting my profit on the profit tracker. So you've got tools and then profit tracker tool there. For the first sort of 2 months, maybe, I never tracked my profit. So now obviously we can't go through absolutely everything that OddsMonkey has to offer in this video. It'd be like a several hours long video. But what I wanted to show you was if we click on offers here at the top and then click on sports sign-up offers, we're basically just going through, is match betting still worth it to make money online in 2025? Well, just from the sports sign-up offers here, you can see it's showing 61 of 61 offers, and there's a filter here along the side that you can change to filter just like guaranteed profit or potential profit. You can go on like difficulty, easy, average, or advanced. Obviously, if you're a beginner, you'd probably want to put that on easy to start with till you sort of find your way around. Bet type, then you got all these different bet types here. Then at the bottom there, you got the bookmaker that you can select. So if you want to select a certain bookie, you can. And then you have this status here, so available, in progress, or completed. That's a great one there because if you start an offer and you're in progress with it, you can just select that you're in progress. And then when you come back, you can just select that and get straight back to the ones that you've already started. So really, really handy. If you change anything there, just click that red button that says apply new filter. Now, of these 61 sign-up offers, there's actually you can read that there, over £1,101. The reason why it's saying worth over 1,101 is because some of them you may make a bit more profit from, some a bit less. So you could make as low as, say, £800, but if the sort of fortune was in your favor with some of the offers, you could make more, like 1,500, but that's just a rough guide there. Now, moving on to the next tab here, we have weekly clubs, and as the name suggests there, it's basically a weekly bet club that you can do with these 23 bookmakers listed here, or there's 23 offers, I should say, in total. And they're worth over £74 just in the next 7 days. Now, just a point to note here, if you are new to match betting, you're on all fresh new accounts, I personally wouldn't do the weekly bet clubs if you're wanting to let your accounts last longer, because the more kind of smaller profits that you're taking more regularly, i.e. every week with those clubs, the worse it's going to be for your account health, and you'll start to lose your accounts quicker. So get gubbed, basically, get restricted, state restricted, bonus restricted. So I wouldn't do those if you're wanting to do the more advanced strategies later. But if you're not bothered about those advanced strategies, then you could just hammer those weekly clubs, do them, make as much profit as you can, and then obviously when your account gets gubbed or banned, you won't really care. You'll have made as much profit as possible. Then if we move to the next tab, reloads, that's going to be much of the same thing again. Here we can see you have 97 offers worth over £209 in the next 7 days. Again, just like I said with the weekly clubs, if you want to do advanced strategies later on, I would not bother with the reloads. If you're not bothered, then yeah, you can just hammer those and make the profit where it's there to be made. Now, the next thing we need to do to look at if match betting's still worth it for you as a beginner in 2025 is click on this casino tab, then click on casino sign up offers and let that page load. Now on this page, we can see there's 88 offers in total for brand new accounts. For example, Admiral Casino, you're going to get a risk-free 100 free spins. That's literally just signing up to Admiral Casino as a new customer. They're going to give you those 100 free spins, and then you're going to get £9.18 in estimated profit. And I never actually clicked on the sports offer on the previous page just to show you what these sort of mini guides look like. But when you click on view offer, you can, and it's exactly the same on the sports one. It's all step-by-step instructions on exactly what to do to make the most profit from each offer. So I should have shown that really on the sports side, but yeah, as I say, they're exactly the same as that for every single offer there. Now, I estimate that there is well over £200, maybe even more like £300 of profit available from all of these. I'm just scrolling through them quickly to just give you an idea of how many are available. Once you get lower down, they do go to the more high-risk casino offers, but you can see there like Plazy, that's offering £56 potential profit there. It does take 2 hours, so, you know, it's still worth it though, in my opinion. It's over £25 an hour. This one here from Casumo is £47.33 and takes 1 hour. So again, it's great average kind of profit there on those higher risk offers. Then if we jump over to the next tab, the reloads tab, it's going to be, again, more offers that you can do with accounts, casino accounts that you've already set up. So 132 reload offers there. And some of them, like these risk-free ones, they're a daily free game for those. So you just play the game. Sometimes they're going to pay you out a tiny bit of money, sometimes nothing. And I have actually seen on the OddsMonkey Facebook groups where people have posted winning like literally £1,000 from these completely risk-free, free daily games there. Now, I don't know about you, but that looks like match betting is still worth it in 2025 when you consider a beginner can go onto the OddsMonkey website, sign up and make like £1,000 in their first month just doing some simple welcome offers from sports and casino. Okay, so now moving on to the 5 betting strategies that I personally have as my favorites that you can do right now to make profit in 2025. So number 1 is actually going to be the 2-up strategy. And to do that, you would be on OddsMonkey. You would go over to Tools and then click on the 2-up matcher. And this is going to provide you with bets here that you can do to make profit from the 2-up strategy. Now, I won't go into every single detail of the strategy in this video, but there will be a link in the description for my full, completely free 2-up betting guide, which is over on the Profit Boss Ko-fi page. So check that out if you're wanting to get involved more with that 2-up strategy. Now, back on the dashboard, the second strategy is going to be clicking on Tools and then clicking onto Matcher Tools and then the Extra Place Matcher. This is going to be the Extra Places strategy. And again, this is something that I have a full course on down in the description, and I'll leave the link there. I've really gone to work and made these free courses because people were asking like, oh, how do I do this? How do I do that? So these courses are basically all the videos that I've done on each strategy just packaged up nice and neatly for you, so you don't have to go searching around for the videos. Surely that is worth tapping the like button on this video if you appreciate the time and effort that I've gone into putting all those together for completely free for you. Strategy number 3 is going to be away from match betting a bit and transition over to value betting using the Rebel betting software. Again, my ultimate betting guide will show you exactly how to use Rebel betting and what to do there to make as much profit as possible. And there are people now still clearing the £1,000 a month of profit from this site. So well worth checking out if you're a bit more advanced and you're wanting to move on from match betting. Then strategy number 4 is going to be using the very, very well known now Each Way Sniper auto betting software. And there'll be a link left to this web page down in the description, because I don't want to talk exactly about everything to do with it when Mike Cruikshank, who's the creator of this strategy, has a video on the landing page. So it'd be a bit of a waste for me to tell you about it. And then you'll click there and have a video telling you about it again. So that's strategy number 4. Been working really well now for the last 2 years nearly now that I've been talking about it on the channel. So great strategy to check out there. Strategy number 5, again like strategies 3 and 4, is a value betting based, and it's going to be using this tilttheodds.co.uk website. This is value betting on horse racing, but more specifically multiple bets like patent bets, trixies, lucky 15s like you can see here on the screen. And it's another great strategy that people have been using to make some amazing profits from. Please do comment below with your favorite betting strategy and let me know how much profit you've made from it up to now, how long you've been doing it, and it'd be great for others to see like what's kind of possible from match betting, value betting, and so on. Because I think sometimes people watch these videos and they're like, oh, that sounds great, but is it really genuine? Can you actually make money from it? And I don't just want myself to be telling people about it. It's great when others comment to let others know what is actually possible. If you enjoyed this video and had any value from it, please do tap the like button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.